Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Eyes, which is my song that just came out yesterday. Here's how it goes. It's fairly easy to play, so I'm going to make a tutorial. So first off, you want to know the chords. There's only 4 chords in the entire song, and those chords are G, D, C, and E minor. Now to play G, what do you want to do? Well, this G is special because it's got your pinky on the E string. What you want to do is you want to get your middle finger, put that on the 3rd fret of the E string. You want to get your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. You want to get your ring finger or 3rd finger, put that on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you put your 4th finger or your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and that's all 6 strings. That's G. So you go. Next chord is D, which sounds like this. You play a D by getting your first finger, putting that on the 2nd fret of the G string. You want your middle finger or your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the E string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and that's like this. But that's only 4 notes. That's with sharp D, and you play that like this. The next chord is C, which is this. You want to get your pointer finger or your first finger on the 1st fret of B. You want to skip the G string, go to D. Your second finger on the 2nd fret of D, and your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of A. And it's only 5 strings. And then E minor is the easiest in this entire book. Oh yeah, by the way, you play C like. And then you play E minor with these 2 fingers, right? On the 2nd fret of the A and D string, and you play all 6 strings. And now we'll get to the strumming. So the strumming is pretty easy actually. All you need to go is which is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's the song. It's in standard tuning, which is E, A, D, G, B, E. And that's the song. See you guys next time.